So hello students, so now we are going to do some previous year questions based on the most important topic. So our first question from the topic number 1 is, in the following experimental setup of electrolysis of water, if P and Q are the gases collected in the test tubes enclosing the electrodes R and S, then select the options in the following matching is correct. So it was asked in CBSE 2025. So we have to find the gases which are evolving. P and Q are the gases, unknown gases, and R and S are the electrodes which are directly connected to the battery through the wire. So we have to identify here the P and Q are which type of gases and R and S type electrodes in this following electrolysis activity. So now we are going to note some important points about the electrolysis. You have to follow these note points about the electrolysis process, then you can solve any type of case-based questions of electrolysis. So you have to remember that the reactions which are going under this process electrolysis are non-spontaneous reaction. Non-spontaneous reaction. I will discuss how it is non-spontaneous reaction. And the second one is, we will remember this process by this trick alone. A is for anode, L is for left, and O is for oxidation. And I will cut this N and I will replace this N by P and I will write positive terminal, and E for electrode. So we'll remember that in the electrolysis process, the left electrode is anode. The electrode which is present at the left side is anode, and at anode there is oxidation, and oxidation is what? Gain of oxygen. So we'll mark the R electrode which is present on the left side. So I will write this is anode, and at anode there is oxidation. So in this particular electrode side there is the production of, this will produce, anode is what? Gain of oxygen. So there is produce of oxygen. And on the right side, as there is reduction, because this is present at the right side, so there will be reduction, and reduction is what? Gain of hydrogen. So there is what? At the side of R electrode, this will produce hydrogen. There is a production of oxygen, and there is a production of hydrogen. So this P is what? P is what? Oxygen gas, and Q is what? These bubbles denoted here, hydrogen gas. And this R, S is reduction. S is what? S is cathode, because here is what? Reduction, and this is anode, and here is what? Oxidation. So our option number C is correct, because here